In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price on Vinted. If you've listed an item and want to make it more competitive or respond to interest, updating the price takes just a minute and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open your browser and go to vinted.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your listings. This walkthrough is on desktop, but the steps are very similar in the mobile app, so you can follow along either way. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. It usually shows your avatar or a simple silhouette. This menu is where you manage your account, messages, and items for sale. From that drop-down, click Profile. This opens your shop view along with the tools you need to manage your items. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you have many listings or a slower connection. Now scroll down through your profile until you see your active listings. If you've organized items into categories or filters, make sure you're viewing the section that contains the item you want to adjust. A quick tip, if you have lots of items, your browser's Find feature can help you jump to the right title faster. When you see the item whose price you want to change, click it to open the listing details. This is the same page buyers see, which helps you double-check the correct size, color, and condition before you edit. Inside the listing, find the Edit Listing button and click it. This takes you to the editor where you can adjust fields like photos, description, and of course the price. Scroll down until you find the price field. Enter your new price here, use your local currency format, and keep decimals simple. A quick pricing tip, consider the item's condition, brand demand, and the season. Small price drops, sometimes even $1 or $2, can refresh your placement in search and attract new viewers. Be mindful of any minimum price limits in your region. Typically, shipping is handled separately by the buyer, so you don't need to include it in the number you set. Once you've made your change, click Save. Wait for the confirmation or for the page to refresh so the new price appears. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the listing page and check again. It's also a good idea to return to your profile and confirm the price shows correctly on the thumbnail. That's it. You've successfully updated the price of your item on Vinted. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to fine-tune your pricing and help your item sell faster.